In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move contents inside a page in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly rearrange sections or blocks on a page so your information is organized in a clear, logical way. First, open Confluence and navigate to the page where you want to move content around. Make sure you're on the correct page, especially if you work with a lot of similar documents or templates. It can help to quickly scan the title and a few headings on the page to confirm you're editing the right place before you start making changes. Once the page is open, switch into edit mode if you're not already there. You'll usually see an edit button near the top of the page. Click that, and Confluence will show you the editable version of your content, broken up into sections, paragraphs, and different content blocks like images, tables, or macros. Now look for the specific content you want to move. This could be a text paragraph, an image, a table, or even a larger section with a heading and multiple lines of text. Move your mouse over that block of content. When you hover over it, you should see a small set of 3 dots appear beside it. This is the handle you'll use to drag and reposition that block. Hover right over those 3 dots until your cursor changes, indicating that the content block is ready to be moved. Then click and hold on the 3 dots. While still holding the mouse button down, drag the content up or down the page to its new position. As you drag, Confluence will usually highlight where the block will land, giving you a visual guide so you can place it precisely where you want. Take your time to line it up between the correct sections. You can move it above or below other content blocks to adjust the flow of your page. If you're rearranging multiple pieces, move one block at a time and quickly reread the surrounding text to make sure everything still makes sense in its new order. When you're satisfied with the new layout, release the mouse button to drop the content into place. Finally, don't forget to save or publish your changes. This step ensures your new page structure is stored and visible to your team. That's all you need to do to move contents inside a page in Confluence. Select your page, use the